Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's story is about a young man who always wanted success, but never really worked for it until one day, life gave him a reason that changed everything. This story will teach us that no matter how lazy or lost we feel, one small change in attitude can completely change our life. So, stay with me till the end. Once, in a busy little town, there lived a young man named Arjun. He was clever, kind, and full of ideas, but he had one big problem. He was lazy. He always said, "I'll start tomorrow." But somehow, tomorrow never came. His father worked as a school teacher. Every morning he would wake up early, prepare breakfast, and go to work. He often told Arjun, "Son, talent is a gift, but without effort, it means nothing." Arjun would laugh and reply, "Relax, Dad. Life is long, I'll figure things out later." One day, Arjun's father suddenly fell ill. The doctors said he needed rest and expensive treatment. That evening, Arjun sat alone thinking, "All my life, I've wasted time. Now, when my family needs me, I have nothing to offer." It was the first time he realized that his laziness was not comfort, it was a cage. The next morning, while walking through the town, he saw a notice on a wall. "City Innovation Fair. Create something useful for your community. The winner will receive 5-0. Arjun's heart lit up. "If I can win this," he thought, "I can help my father." At the fair, many participants brought robots, machines, and fancy gadgets. Arjun had nothing, just a notebook and a pen. He sat under a tree, thinking hard. Then he saw an old man struggling to carry a heavy box on a cart with broken wheels. And suddenly, an idea was born. What if I build a cart that can move easily on any surface? He ran home, collected old wheels, pieces of wood, and metal pipes. For the first time, Arjun worked all night. By morning, he had built a lightweight handcart that anyone could move easily, even with one hand. At the fair, when Arjun showed his creation, people laughed. "It's just a cart," they said. But when the judges tested it, they were amazed. It was simple but practical, something real people could use every day. The head judge said, "Sometimes, the simplest ideas make the biggest difference." And just like that, Arjun won first prize. He used the money for his father's treatment and later started a small workshop making helpful tools for workers and farmers. Arjun learned something powerful that day. It's not about being lazy or hardworking, it's about finding a reason that wakes you up inside. When your reason is strong enough for your family, your dreams, or your future, laziness disappears. This story teaches us that success doesn't always start big. It starts with one small change in mindset. When you take the first step, life opens doors you never imagined. And most importantly, never underestimate yourself. The best version of you is waiting for action, not tomorrow, but today. So, my friends, remember, you don't have to be perfect, you just have to begin. Thank you for listening to this beautiful story. If it inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more positive life lesson stories.